Welcome to Tai Chi for Parkinson's disease. So this flow is designed to help you improve your balance, flexibility, and coordination, allowing you to move with more confidence and ease in your daily life. All right, and so today we're going to start off with the feet shoulder width apart. All right, the knees slightly bent so that you feel springy. All right, the spine is tall, but then soften slightly so that you're alert but relaxed. And then begin to turn from the waist and the hips, just letting the hands knock against the lower abdomen and the lower back. All right. And so just go nice and easy, gentle rotation. This one's called knocking on the door of life, or the gate of life. It's the acupressure point in the lower back. When we knock on this point, it stimulates the energy. It helps to start building our foundational energy in Tai Chi and in life. All right, knocking on the lower abdomen and the lower back, just letting your arms dangle like empty coat sleeves. So see if you can turn from your waist. Let your torso guide the movement, your arms follow. Softening the shoulders, softening the neck. And then coming back to center, slowing it down, and then just taking a few moments to feel into the body. Breathing. And then we can stimulate the energy even more. So I'll turn around so you can see, but you can take loose fists and just begin to knock on the lower back. And if your arms can't reach that far, then just do the sides or however far you can reach. But if you can get to the lower back, this is something that also helps to stimulate the energy, and it gives you a little back massage too. So if you have any lower back issues, this might help. But just going easy at first. All right, we're really connected with the lower back, the kidneys, where we store the energy. It's like our battery pack. All right. And then coming back to center, once again, feeling into the body. And if you want, you can bring your feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, and just taking a few deep breaths, feeling into the body, all the sensations, coming into the present moment. Just breathing in and breathing out, whichever way feels comfortable for you. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. Then the hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Really feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Starting out onto the path of mindfulness and compassion. One more time, open the door. And then this time you can lift your heels as the arms come up, coming on the balls of your feet. And then as the hands come down, you can gently lift the toes. Or you can keep your feet flat, rising up on the balls of the feet, gently lifting the toes. Or once again, you can keep your feet flat. We'll do it one more time. Rising up, softening down. And then circling the arms all the way around and hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. Then this hand here scoops in front, the other one behind. Gentle rotation. The arms go out to the sides, and then other side, clearing the field. Breathing in, arms float out to the sides. Breathing out, gentle rotation. All right, one more time. Clearing the field. All right, now this time, this hand goes to the lower back, the other hand scoops in front, and the front hand keeps on going all the way up and over, and around. Once again, we call this one the Zen circles. Connected with the lower back and the kidneys. Once again, building the energy, opening the joints, softening. One more time, Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the front hand. Both arms float out to the sides, and then we'll switch sides. So this hand goes to the lower back, the other hand comes in front, coming all the way up and over and around. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, and then maybe softening down a bit. Just feeling natural. Nice and easy. One more time, the Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the front arm. Both arms float out to the sides. This time, the hands float down, the fingertips point up. Very gently rotate to one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, fingertips point up. Rotate to the other side, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. One more time, the tiger claw. This time, the hands keep going all the way up overhead, spiraling out and away. The silk reeling upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up, opening the shoulders, breathing out. Spiraling the energy throughout the body. All right, one more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float all the way up and over. Fingertips point down. And they spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Once again, just coming up as much as you can comfortably, softening down, taking your time, no rush, nowhere to go. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And circle in front, hug the tree, and then from here, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then push out to the side. The hands come back to center, push out to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time, as you push out to the side, the opposite foot touches out to the other side, just tapping the toes, right out to the side, and then bring them back in. Other side, tap the toes, right out to the side. And you can look in the opposite direction of the arms as well. All right, one more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then step back in and hug the tree right out in front. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you shift your weight to one side, step in, then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw back in as you shift the weight back, push forward, pushing the mountain. Once again, tuning into the body, just feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. All right, one more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time the hands float all the way up and over. They come down in front of the body and then scooping under, gathering in the energy, gather in the breath, letting it wash through the body. The Tai Chi circling. All right, one more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart as you shift the weight. Step in, and then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Once again, taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can. Nice and easy, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up, all the way up and over, down in front of the body, scooping under, gathering in the energy, letting it wash through the body, giving us healing and vitality. the Tai Chi circling. All right, one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front, and soften. And then from here, both arms float all the way over and down. They come all the way up and over. The bottom hand palm faces up, the top hand palm faces down as you lean over to the side. And coming up and over, other side, painting the rainbow. So a gentle weight shift side to side. Just bringing the arms up as much as you can comfortably. One more time. Painting the rainbow. And then both arms float all the way up and over, and then down. And then drifting side to side with the arms down low. Giving them a little break. Just being kind to yourself. The yin and the yang. Activity with restoration. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. All right, this time hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come out in front. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just play the pipa, the best you can. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. Then step in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open up wide, the wrists cross down low. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. All right, one more time. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands meet each other in front of the heart in prayer position. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, you can soften down, softening the hips and knees. Then the fingertips guide the way out to the side. Then they scoop around, going out to the other side. The dragon pierces through. So shifting the weight, gentle rotation, side to side. And then if you want, the hands can begin to float up towards the mountain peak, or coming down towards the base of the mountain, and just finding whichever way would feel good for you in this moment. So really tuning into the body, let the energy guide you. Let your body's wisdom guide you. The spontaneous dragon, finding any spontaneous movements that would feel great for you. Or you can just keep going side to side, that's good too. All right, one more time, the spontaneous dragon. And then circle all the way around and hug the tree when you're ready. Bring it to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart and calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Circle in front, gather in the energy, Bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. And then down. One more time, open the heart. Rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway like bamboo in the wind, ever so gently. Really tuning into the body, all the sensations that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you over there.